Hello TechVikings. In this video, we will learn about two commands. The first one is pwd, which stands for print working directory. The second one is td, which stands for change directory. And we will also use mkdir for making directory. And we will also use ln for creating or making a symbolic link or a shortcut. So let's start by opening our terminal. We can go from menu and click on terminal, or we can just type on keyboard Ctrl Alt and T, and that will open us the terminal. Also, we can go anywhere we want and right click, open in terminal. Here we are now in desktop. As you see, if we type pwd, it will open or print the directory which we are in. So we are in desktop directory. Now we can go to any folder, like folder 1, and also right click, open in terminal. We are now in folder 1, pwd. But let's open terminal from menu and let's see where we are. So pwd, we are in home directory in add a user. So let's create let's make a directory. Now I will make a directory by mkdir, and we give the directory name. Let's type real folder. But first, let's do ls and let's navigate to the desktop by cd. Change directory to desktop. And now we are in desktop. pwd ls. Now let's make a directory here. Make directory and name it real folder. Now we have this real folder. I want now to make a symbolic link or a shortcut which points to this real folder. So let's paste this command. The command is lm, which stands for link, -s, and then we type the folder which we want to point to, and then the shortcut name. Let's hit on enter, and now we have this shortcut which points to this folder. Now let's navigate to the desktop by cd, or not to desktop, we want to navigate inside the symlink folder. So let's type symlink folder, and now we are inside symlink folder. But let's type pwd to see if we are in symlink folder or it will give us the real folder. What will print in your opinion? What will print if I type pwd? Let's see. pwd, now it's showing us we are inside the symlink folder. Inside this one, not this one. So what if we want to print the physical folder? So we just need to use a flag which is dash p capital. And if we use this flag, we will be inside, like it will print the real folder, the physical folder. But using pwd alone or with this flag, large or capital L, it will give us the shortcut, the print the directory of this shortcut. So these two flags we can use with pwd. Let's now use CD. CD, we know how to use it. Just CD, and then we just type where we want to go to navigate. We have like CD and double dot we can use. This will let us go top level before. Like I'm now in this symlink folder. If I type CD double dot, let's type to see. Now I'm inside desktop. So it will take me it will move one level up. And we have also CD double dot forward slash double dot. It will take us 2 levels up. So now I will be in home directory. Let's type pwd. I'm in home directory. And now what if I want to go back to the previous directory I was in? If I type cd and dash like this, it will take me to the previous directory, which is desktop. I was here inside desktop. So now I'm inside desktop. For example, I want to go to folder 1, cd folder 1, and now I want to go back to desktop. I can just type cd double dot, or I just can type cd dash. Now I can use another, like just typing cd without anything. Let's see where we are now. pwd. We are now inside home add a user. So using cd alone will navigate us to the home directory, or we can use cd with tilde symbol. It's the same as cd alone or with tilde symbol. It will lead us to the home directory. Now let's try to go to use some of the flags of cd. The same as pwd, it has 2 flags, -p and -l. So let's go here, open terminal. Let's type ls. Okay, we can go to this folder, and now let's do a cd back one step, and I want now to go to navigate to this folder, which is the shortcut folder. I can type just cd and type this here, and now hit enter. Now if I print the working directory, it will give me this symlink folder, not the real folder. But if I want to navigate to the real folder, I can just, let me go back, and let's just navigate to this folder, but we will just type -p flag. And using the -p flag with cd, now we are inside real folder. Because now we used the -p flag. It's by default. If we're using cd, it's by default will like this be like we are in the logical symbol, so, or the logical option. So this is the 2 main options of cd, and That's it. So we have CD. We talked about CD, TWD, and their flags. And we also make directory. We use the make directory. We use the make directory command. For example, folder 4, make directory, index desktop. We have this directory. And we used also the lm -s. Let's type folder 4. And we have here type folder 4 shortcut. So we have 4 commands. We learn 4 commands. Thank you very much for everyone, and see you in the next video.